Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to add a new contact on WhatsApp app. Let's start. At first you have to open your WhatsApp app. In here tap on calls, then tap on the plus icon. Now tap on new contact. Then you have to put the number of the person that you want to add. Tap on phone, then put the phone number. Then if this person is available on WhatsApp app, then you can add him. Also you can add the first name of the person that you want to add, and then you can also add the last name. Now to save the contact, tap on save. So this is how you can add a new contact on WhatsApp app. See how easy it is? We put lots of effort every day through videos to make your life better. If it helps, please subscribe and like. Until next time, bye bye.